Imagine this. You're 65 years old, sitting on a beach, sipping a coconut, and living your best retired life. But wait, your bank account is screaming for help, and you're wondering where it all went wrong. Spoiler alert, it probably started in your 20s. Let's talk about the 5 biggest money mistakes young adults make and how they can haunt you for decades. But don't worry, we've got the cheat codes to dodge these financial landmines and set yourself up for a future where you're the one laughing all the way to the bank. Mistake #1. Living for the gram and not your future. The allure of avocado toast, designer sneakers, and that Instagram-worthy vacation. Sure, it feels good to flex, but here's the cold, hard truth. Every dollar you spend on instant gratification is a dollar that could have been working for you in the future. The long-term consequence? You're trading financial freedom for fleeting likes. Compound interest is your best friend, but it only works if you actually save and invest. The fix. Start with the 50/30/20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. And no, your morning latte isn't a need. Mistake #2. Ignoring the budget monster. Budgeting sounds about as fun as watching paint dry. But here's the thing. If you don't tell your money where to go, it'll disappear faster than free pizza at a college dorm. The long-term consequence? You'll be stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering why you can't seem to get ahead. The fix. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to track your spending. Know where every dollar is going and cut the fat. That 10 monthly subscription you forgot about? Yeah, that's 10 monthly subscription you forgot about? Yeah, that's $120 a year you could be saved. Mistake #3. Treating credit cards like free money. Credit cards are like fire. Great when controlled, disastrous when abused. Swiping now and worrying later might feel like a power move, but those interest rates will come back to bite you. The long-term consequence? Crushing debt and a credit score so low, even your dog won't trust you with a loan. The fix. Use credit cards responsibly. Pay off the balance in full every month. And if you can't afford it in cash, you probably shouldn't be buying it. Mistake #4. Skipping the emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, your laptop dies, or you suddenly need to move because your roommate's new hobby is yodeling at 3 a.m. Without an emergency fund, you're one crisis away from financial disaster. The long-term consequence? You'll be forced to rely on high-interest loans or credit cards, digging yourself deeper into debt. The fix. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if you have to, but start now. Your future self will thank you when life throws a curveball. Mistake #5. Not investing because it's too complicated. Here's a harsh truth. Stashing your money in a savings account is like trying to grow a tree in a closet. Inflation will eat away at your savings, and you'll miss out on the magic of compound interest. The long-term consequence? You'll wake up at 40 realizing you've missed out on decades of potential growth. The fix. Start investing early, even if it's just $50 a month. Use low-cost index funds or ETFs, and let time do the heavy lifting. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. So, there you have it. The 5 biggest money mistakes in your 20s and how to avoid them. The choices you make now will shape your financial future, so choose wisely. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being proactive. Now go forth, make smart money moves, and maybe one day you'll be that person on the beach with a coconut in hand and a bank account that's just as full.